Friday. Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make sticky rice. A lot of people have a question about jasmine rice and sticky rice. The sticky rice, how you cook sticky rice, you're gonna use this kind of rice. See how like it's white, silent white. It's not clear like jasmine rice, okay? So you don't cook them with the water right away. You have to soak over at least 1 hour or overnight, okay? So I'm use this kind of bowl. A lot of people see this kind of bowl before, so I use like maybe like about 3 cups on right here in my place here, in my bowl here, okay? And then what I do, I will clean it with the water about 3 times and then soak them with the warm water about 1 hour. And let me introduce you to the nap. Like they say, well, how I cook the sticky rice? We have a bamboo nap, okay, like this. And then the cover is very cool. And this pot right here, so you're gonna put the water about right there. It's about 3 inch, probably about right there, 3 inch, 3.5 inches, something like that, okay? So first of all, I'm gonna show you how to soak the rice first, okay? Okay, so we're gonna have to use the water. Go ahead, use the cold water for right now. And that's how you clean the rice. You kind of squeeze like this first. Kind of squeeze it a little bit. Stop the water. And then you kind of using your hand like this. That's how my mom and grandma always asked them, can I help, and do this. Now my turn to do this, so I love it. Okay. See how the water is like, kind of like milky water now. It's really white. So this is first water. And then I'm gonna go ahead, drain it out. Take it out first. Do it again. It's not hot at all. Now from cold water, I make it warm water. I can drain one more time to just make it clear. I don't have to wash it, I just drain it. Okay, see? That's how the water is supposed to be. You don't have to measure how much. Just make sure the rice cover with the water real good and leave on the side for 1 hour, okay? Or overnight. It depends on how much time you have, okay? But I'm gonna do in 1 hour today. All right. Okay, I soaked my sticky rice here already for 1 hour. It's nice and soft, and that's how my mom and my grandma test the rice. They say just use your finger and squeeze them like this. Make sure they break down. See how like milky in your hand like this? See how smooth? Then it's ready. If they're not, then don't cook it yet, okay? So see how I squeeze with my hand and break down. Really milky. So that's perfect. Now what I do, I'm gonna go ahead add some water, like about right here. 3 inch and a half, okay? So put the water in. Okay, my water is about right there where I need, okay? Stop that. And before you cook sticky rice, you have a sticky rice net and you wanna rinse it real good, okay? I always clean my sticky rice net after I cook. And before I put the rice in, I also wet them again, real good. Wet them real good, okay? So, and I wet the covers as well. I wet the cover. Then I go ahead pour my rice in, all of it. All in there. Then you want to do like this, okay? Put the bowl underneath there and you're going to come to the side. And see, you don't want any rice on that side. So you kind of like do this and then rinse it just like that. Turn it off. Put here for a second, get all the water out. And then I'm going to go ahead, put the cover in like that. Put in here and they be ready to cook. See? The water about here. Get the net, cover up, and then we're gonna transfer to the stove. Okay, I have this pot, it's already hot. I cook my sticky rice for 20 minutes. The reason it take 20 minutes because the water kind of like cold, so it take longer. When it's about 20 minutes now, see how like the rice is kind of like clear? It means it's already cooked, but I'm gonna have to flip to the other side, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead, press it down a little bit like that, and turn gentle, little bit like that. Keep going, keep going, keep going until you get like a ball like that, okay? And then you put them back where they belong. And then what I would do, I probably use a spoon, kind of like break this side a little bit, open up a little bit like this. After I flip, you see, do like this. And then I close the back about 5 more minutes. And then my sticky rice will be cooked. Okay, the sticky rice is ready. See? Turn off the heat. And then what I do, I use a little bit water to wet this wood stick first. And then put the water on my tray. So that way they won't stick. Then I put in here. Then you have to do this to get the rice kind of cool down a little bit. Just make that together like that. Like that, you put in your sticky rice box. This is served for 1 person or 2 people, depending on how much you like the sticky rice, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and bring them over here. So what you do with the sticky rice, you eat with papaya salad, beef jerky, and this is a hot sauce right here. Well, let me see. I'm gonna taste some food a little bit, okay? And then how you eat sticky rice, you have to eat with the hand. So you just kind of like make about the bite size like that. And then if you eat with the hot sauce, you kind of like press it down with your thumb a little bit. And then pick up the salt like that, okay? See? And then you go with the beef jerky. You go. So good.